To add notes to our drawing models, we can use the text and revision marker objects. Simply select the text objects under revision markers in 2D graphics from the drawing menu. The object is fixed with a first click and then placed at a certain length with a second click. The editor allows us to insert a description for the first row and a different description for the second row. We can also add more rows or delete them, or apply text effects with the formatting options. From the Properties toolbox, among other options, we can also modify text spacing, alignment and insert a border.